Spell token, a decentralized money stage token, has plunged in esteem starting from the beginning of the year. Exchanging at $0 the 21st of October 2022, it is more than 98% underneath its unsurpassed high of 7 cents, accomplished on the 16th of November 2021. As per DEFI Liyama, Spell token's complete worth locked has likewise collided with $373.70 from a high of $6.42 billion, hit on the 5th of January 2022. Will the Spell token recuperate its lost energy? This video gathers together ongoing news and improvements encompassing the token and does a Spell digital currency cost investigation. Together, they could assist you with shaping a conceivable Spell crypto cost forecast. What is Spell token? Abracadabra. Money is a decentralized loaning stage that has two tokens. The local token is Spell token. The Wizardry Web Cash, a USD fixed stablecoin, is utilized to give credits to clients. Abracadabra's stablecoin MIM can be utilized similarly as some other customary stablecoin. The convention acknowledges interest-bearing tokens in return for MIMs. For example, clients can give security in an assortment of interest-bearing crypto resources, including IVUSDT and IVUSDC, empowering clients to get MIM tokens. Clients can get IVUSDT and IVUSDC by keeping the stablecoins USDT and USDC in yield-producing capital pools on DEFI stage-long money. Moreover, Abracadabra gives cultivating open doors in which clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. This strategy is utilized to keep up with high liquidity on unambiguous pairings. On Ethereum, cultivating is buy and buy accessible for ETH Spell and MIM3CR VLP token. The essential capability of Spell token is for marking. Consequently, the stage clients get reward tokens called marked Spell token. SSPELL tokens award holders casting a ballot rights on the stage in a case to intrigue created on MIM loaned by Abracadabra. As indicated by the convention, 75% of the interest charges are utilized to buy Spell tokens granted to S-Spell holders. Spell tokens' most extreme stock is 196 billion. 30% of which is for colleagues. Another 63% of Spell tokens are surrendered to worldwide cultivating motivators, with various liquidity pools. The remarkable 7% of all Spell was apportioned through an underlying decentralized trade offering on Uniswap and SushiSwap. Spell has a 10-year dividing model, by which the prize is disseminated or split yearly. Spell token news. Sharp fall in the midst of enormous discussion. Spell token encountered an enormous bear market in January 2022 because of a significant outrage around Frog Country. DEFI stages, for example, Abracadabra, Money, Wonderland and Popsicle Money are all important for the Frog Country consortium of blockchain drives oversaw by designer Daniel Sestigali. In late January, tokens connected to Frog Country saw an auction following reports that the depository director of DEFI Project Wonderland was supposedly Michael Patry, a supposed previous convict and prime supporter of the fake and presently old Canadian crypto trade QuadraGAX. A record obviously run by Sestigali later tweeted that he knew about Patron's past. Today claims about our colleague at 0x Sifu will flow. I believe everybody should realize that I knew about this and concluded that the past of an individual doesn't decide their future. I decide to esteem the time we spent together without knowing his previous more than anything. Ashwat Balakrishnan, VP of Exploration, expounded on the impacts of the outrage in a report for blockchain research firm Delphi Computerize. Normally, this didn't go down well with the local area and individuals started to lose trust in the venture. MIM momentarily broke its stake, however recuperated rapidly. On the 28th of January, almost $1.4 billion of MIM change surrenders Bend, a large portion of which appears to have been holders selling into the Bend pool. Wonderland's People Group immediately casted a ballot to eliminate Patron as their depository director. However, the harm was at that point finished and Wonderland's time token fell by over half somewhat recently of January. With Abracadabra's Spell token seeing a comparative rut, the stage delivered an explanation to console financial backers and its local area. Right off the bat, 0x Sifu was never, whenever, straightforwardly or by implication dealing with the Abracadabra depository. The association said a blog entry, which has since been eliminated. During the previous week, the Abracadabra contracts have been pressure tried and the framework that we have set up has demonstrated to be very strong. A lot of liquidity were pulled by enormous players, and numerous huge Abracadabra positions were loosened up. Regardless of all of this, the MIM stake has reliably and immediately bounced back to levels where exchanging has been feasible. It's critical to take note of that daily before the disclosures about its depository directors previous. A consolidation among Wonderland and Abracadabra was likewise proposed. In any case, since the news became exposed, Wonderland is very nearly conclusion. In spite of most of Wonderland's People Group casting a ballot against the undertaking slowing down, Pioneer Sestigali has flagged its end. Writing in a tweet, he said, "Wonderland Explorer is reaching a conclusion. It is obvious from the vote that the local area is partitioned. The center and heart of Wonderland is as yet the local area. In the event that we can't find settlement on whether to proceed or not, it implies that we fizzle. Financial backer certainty and local area assurance inside Frog Country projects have ended up in a very difficult situation following the embarrassment. The auction in Abracadabra Money's spell token gives no indications of facilitating, with the spell token cost down 96% year-to-date. SPELL USD cost investigation. In view of the earliest accessible cost information on the spell graph from 2021, the spell token cost spiked from $0 the 17th of August 2021 to 3 cents on the 3rd of November, a gigantic increment of 5,650% in under 90 days. The bullish force went on further, and spell came to 7 cents on the 16th of November. The market feeling was extremely bullish during November 2021. For instance, Ether, the world's second biggest cryptographic money by market cap, arrived at its unsurpassed high of $4,891 on the 16th of November 2021. Notwithstanding, after the convention, a retracement carried the spell cost to 2 cents on the 31st of December 2021, a downfall of over 68%. Toward the beginning of 2022, the more extensive digital currency market was negative. Besides, the discussion encompassing the inclusion of Patron made the spell token downfall from 2 cents on the 1st of January 2022 to $0 the 28th of January, a fall of over 78%. The downtrend proceeded, and the spell token value dove to $0 the 24th of February 2022. It further declined to a 90-day low of $0.14 WAC 2022. After an extensive stretch of negativity, the spell token cost at long last picked up speed and arrived at a 30-day high of $0 the 4th of April 2022. However, at that point tumbled to the $0 in mid-May and kept on exchanging around that price tag for near 2 months. Following a more extensive elevate across digital currency showcases, the spell token rose near 20% on 15 and the 16th of August. Starting around the 21st of October 2022, spell was exchanging at $0, had a market capitalization of $86.50, making it the 251st biggest digital money on the planet, as per CoinMarketCap. In view of specialized examination, the transient spell coin cost expectation from Coin Codex was nonpartisan starting around the 21st of October 2022, with 5 pointers giving bullish signs and 25 keeping up with negative signs. Most of everyday straightforward moving midpoints and dramatic moving midpoints, alongside the volume-weighted moving normal and frame moving normal, gave out sell signals. The Williams percent reach was purchase, while the moving midpoints union difference remained unbiased. As indicated by the momentary spell token cost expectation, the cost could be $0 the 20th of November 2022. In the meantime, a few calculation-based estimating administrations gave longer-term spell cost expectations starting around the 21st of October 2022. Spell token cost expectation for the next few years was negative. It said the coin could be